Welcome to the month of May. I look so bad. My confidence is like, woo! You have to tell. Hi. I hope you can see me. Oh my god, everywhere is so loud, but the weather is hot. I hope you can hear me better now. Hi. Welcome to the month of May. This position is very bad, but there's no other position I can put you in. Yeah, so we're going out. We're not really going out. We just want to go to ShopRite to pick up some things. I hope you can hear me or see me or anything. Also, my face is like really, really bad because I've been eating nonsense. I have my oat milk, but once I taste normal milk, I'm like, this tastes really nice. And I relapse. And then I just end up taking milk, and then my face, I break out, and I'm like, I will never take milk again. Take my oat milk, then my oat milk finishes, and I take normal milk, then I'm break out again, and I'm like, I'll never take milk again. It's just a vicious circle. So yeah, I will see you guys when we're out. Bye. Minso is a place that you enter and then you don't even know that you needed something until you see it. What the fuck? So cute. I'll come back for you when I have extra 2,500 to pay. I look so bad. I wanted you to take a picture of me, but I don't know. Inside ShopRite. Inside the ShopRite. We'll find a way. Sorry? No, thank you. Please give me fried rice. Give me fried rice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's go home. I will eat my rice. I don't know where to put my phone. Hot rice in ShopRite. The fish rice. Please tell me why this whole thing is 1,000 naira.
If I pray, give me what I want. Before you have a decent meal, it must be up to 2,000 something.
It's true. It still tastes nice.
Yes.
It's a bit dark, but I'll get used to it. Anyway, I'm about to go to work now, and I was like, hey, let me film today. Because you probably can't even hear me, Jesus Christ. So I'm going to work now, and I was like, oh, let me vlog work because I haven't done that in a while. As I said before, I got a part-time job. I'm a video editor and should I say creative director kind of thing. That's just basically the description of the job, but I still do some other stuff. We're going to work. We're going to office first, then we'll now go to locations. Then I think that's all I'm doing today. I will see you guys on my way at work. My mom's already calling me and shouting for me to get in the car. I think I look good. Actually, my confidence is like woo, way high until like maybe later when I look in the mirror at some random point where my face is like very oily. Yeah. Good morning.
You can contact Bull of Abuja.
Good. You can contact Bull of Abuja on their. You can even say it in any order.
Contact Bull of Abuja on our phone numbers, email, Instagram, or Twitter.
Twitter. Do you have Twitter?
No,
Hope you can see me. Jesus, the lighting is very somehow. Jeez, let me stay in front of. Wow, I look so oily. Jesus Christ. Hi. So they went upstairs and I'm just downstairs because I'm tired. Yeah, so they went upstairs and I'm just sitting down and resting. Hi. Basically, the story is my mother basically just said she needed to make pepper soup, and I was like, huh? I don't know how to cook. I know how to cook, but making things like pepper soup by myself is. So I just said, you know what? What better time than right now to vlog me trying to figure out how to make pepper soup? Pepper soup is just like boiling chicken. Let me just Google it. Why is there egg in your chicken pepper soup? Why is there lime? Why are you using lime?
Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of
Let me look at the ingredients. So I'll just bring everything out. Okay, so chicken, obviously. We have our chicken here. We got it from ShopRite. I think half would be enough for everybody. I don't want to finish this chicken because I don't want my mother to be like, why did you finish? Why did you finish the chicken? I probably should have let it like defrost before I started this whole thing. Pepper soup spice, tatashi. So we don't have tatashi, but we have a simple red bell pepper and like a bunch of like red peppers. So that just has to be enough. I'll just add like an extra an onion ball. I don't know whether this would be too much. No ginger. We have pepper here. 2 seasoning cubes. Crayfish. Ow! Found it. Chopped scent leaf. So we don't have scent leaf. Am I going to make this thing without scent leaf? Won't it be better to like call my mom like, mommy, I made a pepper soup, but I didn't put scent leaf. She's like, what? Why would you make it without scent leaf? I'm like, just buy, I can add it later. Why?
onion and pepper blend mix.
Why are you blending onion and pepper and you not tell me? Why do I seem so unprepared for this? This seems easy. I got this. I got this. Let's blend pepper and onions. I'm making it for 4 people, so I want like everybody to at least get like 3 pieces of chicken. That's like 3 times 4 is wow, 12. I forgot that I was supposed to pound the crayfish. Let's do this. Move, you light. I need to hurry up. They just take it. See, you're big. All I'm tasting is the pepper soup spice and crayfish. Let's just see how it ends up. Let it boil.
While it is cooking, chop up some scent leaves.
Sis, I don't have scent leaf. Oh my god. I'll come back to you guys when it's done. It's been boiling for a little while now. Oh. Why does it look so unattractive? If there's scent leaf, it would have been so complete, but I think I'll just literally take a spoon of it and taste it first. It's not bad, just that it's missing the pepper part of the pepper soup. It tastes sweet, that's it. It's not pepperish. Or maybe the thing about me is that I can take a lot of pepper without feeling it. I think I did well considering the confusion I felt in the beginning. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this, then wait till my mommy comes back so I can put scent leaf on it. My mother came back and she got scent leaf and it makes all the difference. And yeah, it looks really nice. It looks tasty, it looks delicious, and it is. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm so bad at ending vlogs recently. I have just been forgetting to end it, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll link a couple of my other vlogs here so you can watch if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.